Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Wallet and adding a card. This is the first actionable step. Tap the plus sign, scan the card or type numbers, and choose billing address. Once done, choose the verification method, text code, bank app confirmation, or one-time 2FA, because verification links your card securely. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled for quick auth. If you have multiple cards, set a default now so payments go through without extra taps. Next, you adjust settings introduced in the update. Go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, and enable Express Transit if you use public transport. Once done, set your default card and confirm that Face ID or Touch ID is active so payments are seamless. Make sure device passcode meets new security rules, otherwise some merchants will block transactions. Also review in-app and web payment permissions so apps request only necessary data. This prevents unexpected prompts and saves time during checkout. To finish, you authenticate and tap to pay. Double-click the side button or use the home action, Authenticate, then hold your device near the reader until you see Done. After payment, check wallet transaction history and your bank statement within 24 to 48 hours to confirm clearing. If a payment fails, try the key troubleshooting step. Toggle NFC off and on, restart the device, and if needed, re-verify the card in Wallet. This often resolves authorization or connectivity hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.